Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of the best Costco deals for this week. I spotted amazing sales you definitely don't want to miss, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So check out what I found in the kitchenware section. It's the Goumia Dual Basket Air Fryer. I want to say it's the first time I'm seeing it on sale since it arrived to Costco. It now has $30 off until June 8th, so the price went from $130 down to $100, which is a pretty nice, sweet deal. It's an 11 quart capacity and comes with 8 other cooking functions. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate. I don't think the air fryer that is the from Gourmet brand, the very basic one or the cheapest one I should say at Costco. I don't think it has that function. You definitely want to keep the measurements in mind. Just depending if you have like kitchen cabinets right on top of your kitchen counter, that may limit the space for the air fryer. But other than that, it seems like a great option if you're looking for an air fryer that's dual basket. I also found the Ionic Ceramic Dryer by Infinity Pro by Conair. This one comes with 4 different attachments, and I found it on sale with $10 off. So the price went from $40 down to $30, a pretty good price. It seems like the sale is going to be ending on May 25th, though, so you definitely want to keep that in mind. It comes with a thermal concentrator. You have the concentrator for precision styling. You also have the thermal pick, so you can detangle and it's supposed to add lift. And my favorite, of course, is always the diffuser. Perfect if you have wavy hair. It's really going to add like texture, and it's perfect for curls too. This is the LED compact mirror by Ilios that arrived to Costco not too long ago. It comes with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and it's finally on sale. So the price went from $27 down to $20. It seems like the sale is going to be ending on June 1st, by the way. So it's a great time to buy it. I have heard these make awesome gifts, by the way. I see a lot of people buy these, not just for like Mother's Day, but also for Christmas, of course. Comes with a large 5-inch viewing area, and it also has a 15-minute auto shut-off timer. Another item I noticed a lot of people grab as soon as it goes on sale, it's the rice cooker by Tiger. This one right here comes with 10 different settings. It's a 5.5 cups, and I've heard pretty good reviews when it comes to this product. $20 off until June 1st, so the price goes from $90 down to $70. Here are the different settings that it comes with. I like that it has a brown rice setting, so that, I mean, at least for me, brown rice is a little bit more difficult to make compared to like white rice. It also has a quick rice function, of course, and a cookbook is also included. I also thought Costco had a pretty good price on the ceramic food storage set. It comes with tempered glass lids, and so you have a total of 5 vessels and 5 lids, a total of 10 pieces. This one I found it going for $30. It's dishwasher and freezer safe, and here it also gives you some information regarding the measurements of these food storage containers. So you can see you get 2 of the 2.9 cups, 2 of the 4.2 cups, and then 1 of the 5.7 cups. So nice little variety there. It's available in 2 colors as well. It's available in cream and then also like in a dark gray color. And you can also use it in the oven. So it's also oven safe, but only the bottom part, not the lid. So just keep that in mind. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Nutribullet. It's a great little blender, perfect if you love making smoothies, if you love making sauces, dips, things like that. This one has $20 off until June 8th, so typically it goes for $100, which let me tell you, it's not a bad price. But of course, $80 is an even better deal. You have a touch-based pulse that gives you full control over time and texture. And then it also has a 60-second automatic extraction cycle. Guys, you can make anything in this machine. I personally use it on a daily basis because it's super easy to clean. Now, in case anyone's been eyeing the sliding under sink organizer, this one is also on sale. It has a 50-pound weight capacity, and the price went from $34 down to $25. So it has $9 off, and it seems like the sale is going to be ending on June 1st. Let me show you guys here some additional details. The top basket is reversible, by the way. It comes with the gliding slides. You do have to mount those. And it comes with the hardware that is needed to install this under your sink. Here are the measurements too. And they actually have it on display here at this Costco. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty sturdy. It's definitely a great time to start shopping for a fan before we have higher temperatures. This one right here is by Vornado, and it's their box fan, and it has $15 off until May 31st, so a couple more days left for this sale. The price went from 60 down to 45. It's a pretty good discount. It has an integrated kickstand. It also has a quiet operation, and you have 5 fan speeds to choose from. I also noticed Costco has these Glowtech cosmetic bag sets on sale right now. It's a total of 2 pieces, and both of them are of different sizes. These have $4 off until May 21st, so keep in mind the sale's going to be pretty much ending tomorrow. I'm hoping they extend it actually. But we never know with Costco. These went from 20 down to $16, which is an amazing price. I love the 2 color options that they came out with. So they have it in brown, and then they also have it in a very pretty shade of blue. Perfect for makeup, for when you travel, or also to put in here like personal items. I personally find myself losing my sunglasses at least once a year, so I love the Kirkland Signature ones. These are so lightweight, and also the case too, which is one of the reasons why I'm always buying the Kirkland Signature sunglasses. These have $5 off. Let me tell you, they're not on sale often, so I thought this was such a great price. I normally buy them for 25, and right now they're going for 20. They have impact resistant lenses. It's 100% UV protection. And again, the case for me is just totally worth it. It's not bulky at all. I personally love finding cleansing oils at Costco. This one right here has such a great value. The bottle's of 10.1 fluid ounces. It's by Sakisay, and it has $5 off until May 25th. And guys, this bottle will last you a long time. The price went from 23 down to $18. Here you have some information as well regarding the key herbal ingredients and the benefits. I've heard really good reviews regarding the Sakisay cleansing oil. I haven't tried this one specifically, but I have tried their hydrating cream from Sakisay, which is amazing. Makes my skin feel very good. This one's supposed to remove waterproof makeup, sunscreen, dirt, and impurities too. Check out this beautiful hat by Sunday. I love that Costco always brings out hats or caps that have UPF sun protection in them. So this one's UPF 50 plus. It has $3 off until June 9th, and it's the Sunday afternoon's wide brim hat. The price went from 13 down to $10. It's made with recycled polyester. It's moisture wicking sweatband, and you can also size the interior. So you have to, pretty much just pull on those strings there, and that way your hat fits a little bit more snug. Costco also has a great price right now on this 4-piece sofa table set. You can see it comes with 3 stools and 1 table. A total of 4 pieces, and it's $150 off until June 1st. So look, the price went from 400 down to 250. Wow, that's a really good discount. It has durable metal footrest. It has fabric upholster seats as well, and a hand-applied multi-step finish. It also comes with outlets and USB ports, so that's pretty convenient to have. Here are the measurements for those that are interested. Now in the shoe section, I did come across these Puma men's skate sneakers that are currently on sale. These are pretty stylish, and they have $5 off until May 26th. So the price goes from 30 down to 25. I will say I did spot both whole and half sizes for these. And this is what they look like. So they do have them in brown, and then they also have them in a very nice shade of gray. So 2 different color options. Again, whole and half sizes are available. I actually can't remember if I've tried these Panko breaded chicken breast tenderloins before. These are uncooked. They're by Tyson, and these are on sale with $5.20 off the original price. And it seems like the sale's going to be ending on June 8th. Let me know if anyone's tried them. And also, I'm wondering if you can cook these in the air fryer. I'm pretty sure you can. But let me know what's the time that you recommend for them. 4 ounces is around 210 calories. Love that they're higher in protein, 20 grams of protein with only 13 grams of carbs. But keep in mind, they are panko breaded. It says here they recommend for you to heat it up or cook it actually in the conventional oven. But again, let me know if anyone's tried cooking these in the air fryer. I found this cereal also at a sale price right now. It's the Blueberry Almond Crunch cereal with no added sugar. $3.50 off until May 25th. So $10.79 for 34 ounces. It is organic, by the way, and Costco doesn't have too many organic options when it comes to cereal. 240 calories for every 1 cup, which is around 54 grams. It has around 36 grams of carbs and a total of around 6 grams of sugar. If anyone happens to be looking for the wire edge ribbon, this one right here by the Kirkland Signature brand is at a clearance price at several Costco's in my area, but the best price I've seen so far has been of $4. So $4 for 50 yards. That's pretty good. They did have a couple different options to choose from. I've used wire edge ribbon before, but more like the Christmas theme one, and I actually made cute little bows with it, and it was adorable. It was a great little touch for our Christmas presents. I also found a summer activity for the little ones, and it's the sprinkler pad, and it happens to be on sale. Now, the sprinkler pad is of 10 feet, and it has $5 off until May 26th. So typically it goes for 23, but right now the price comes down to $18. Seems like it's pretty easy to set up. All you have to do is attach it to a garden hose, and it's recommended for kids ages 2 and up. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.